Hi, in this next episode, we're going to talk about the Bzip2 utility. Bzip2 is an alternative to the Gzip utility, along with other utilities as well. Bzip2 follows a similar command set as Gzip, except the Bzip2 on the background uses specific algorithms that are different from Gzip. This results in a different compression algorithm being used and different time to take to actually compress certain files and a different compression size. However, the functioning or the command and how you use it is very much the same as your Gzip utility. So in this upcoming lab, we're going to show and demonstrate how to use these following commands to compress, decompress files using the Bzip2 utility. Please join us in that next lab. Hi. In this episode, we're going to talk about the Bzip2 utility. The Bzip2 utility is another compression utility that allows you to compress the file size so you can maybe transfer it over the network a little bit easier and to conserve disk space. So how do you exactly use it? Let me show you. I'm opening up the terminal, and before I start, I'll zoom in for readability and again explain the concept in a simple way where we are going to take a file. This could be any file, but what I'm going to do is create a large file. So I'm going to create an archive file, CVF, and this archive will be my etc directory. So that's etc, and I'll put a sudo in front of that command so I can actually run this command without or with the root permissions. So now let's observe the etc.tar file. I'll actually want to say du -h and show you that this tar file that I've created is about 25 megs. Now watch what happens when I type bzip2 etc.tar. Well, now it has compressed this file and has created bzip2, etc.tar.bz2. That's my compressed archive file. Now watch the size of this compressed archive file. It is a lot less than the original file size, conserving space on my hard disk. So this is again how you use Bzip2. And so to unzip the file, you can simply type bzip2 -d or bunzip2 and the name of your file. And now the file is unzipped, and here you can see that .bz2 formatting or encryption has been removed, and we have our original file. So thanks for watching. This is using Bzip2 to compress files. Thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.